Hello, hello, hello. Welcome on, everybody. Hopefully, everybody's having a good day. In case anybody's wondering, I got no grinding done last night. As soon as the stream was over, I just went to sleep. But anyway, well, I didn't just go to sleep. Like, I stayed awake for a bit, but like, yeah, I was just tired. Anyway. Let's see how, we're already apparently halfway through this, through the base game, so you know. And that's with me doing extra quests, which is, once again, me pointing out how disappointing this game is when it comes to that. Yeah, we're gonna fight Pao Mu to wake up and warm back up real quick, and then we'll go fight the Legiana. I did upgrade my armor while the stream was loading up. I just went to the armory and saw I had enough harnessers, so I upgraded everything by one level. Alright, let's go. Sorry. Wait, do I? Because I have to capture this one. Do I have traps ready? Oh, also in case anybody's curious, I actually found the manufacturer last night does sell the side panel, so I'll be able to order that and swap it out so I'm not hearing that noise anymore. Apparently I'm out of potions. Link. Oh, I'm fighting. Yeah, I just wanted to get the discover so it levels up. Stab it in the eye. Ow. And of course I'm stunned. Oh. Didn't mean drop down like that. That's sharpened. Ow. No, that didn't actually hurt me, just... Okay. Burping. Alright, it's limping, so I gotta now track it. So I can capture it, because it's about to fly off and I don't want to spin down trap just for it to fly off as soon as I put it down. Or do it. Nope. Okay. How long was taking, I suddenly was thinking, maybe I should. Alright, I see that was a good warm-up. That fucking face. I'm guessing the bone I don't have yet that I need for the upgrade is a Monster Bone Plus. Oh. But that's just a guess. That's right, you eat that fish.
Vete mira.
Do I have any deliveries that I can do? Nope. Okay.
Mori. Yeah?
Is there a way to do a Tail Rider Safari from here, or do I have to go all back to the Third Fleet for that? If you can hear that noise, I do apologize. That is the uh, garbage guy. Yoink. See, I told you, you keep spilling your food in here, we're gonna get ants. And look, we've got ants. This is your fault. Oh, apparently I have a new room now. So far, Monster Hunter 3 is actually my favorite Monster Hunter. But now I live on my own, so now I don't have to worry about that guy making a mess with ants. Okay, that's how I can do the Tail Riders without having to go back there. Okay. Tail Rider. Aqua Stacks, yes, I needed those. That's why I sent them out on that specific one. It's technically possible, Monster Hunter Wilds will usurp that, but it looks like Wilds is going to be World 2, and I'm not a fan of World. So, we'll see. Alright, on the floor, we'll put the Ray Abbot. In the pot, we'll put a Cobalt Flutterfly. In the tree. We're not putting a spider. I have arachnophobia. I will forget and I'll get jump scared when I walk in. Not have anything that can be on the ceiling yet. In the aquarium, we'll have an andangler. We'll have 2 andanglers. And a sushi fish. Alright. What's Palico status telling you? Is it just giving you information about what your equipment's doing? Okay, okay. Haven't learned any new skills yet. That's fine. Healing is good enough. I tell you though, it's really funny how I hate Monster Hunter 1 and hate Monster Hunter World for completely different reasons. Well, I shouldn't say I hate Monster Hunter 1, but Monster Hunter 1 has not aged well in the slightest. Monster Hunter 1 is extremely dated, like to the point where like I honestly am surprised even back when it was new that it became popular enough to create a franchise. Meanwhile, Monster Hunter World feels like it hates the franchise. Like, I don't hate the quality of life stuff, I hate how they wrote it. Oh, there I am. Yeah, I'm almost certain that's the Monster Bone Plus there. Oh, there's an exclamation point. Who wants to talk to me? Trade yard. But when it comes to the Monster Hunter clones, I'm actually shocked by what I ended up liking so far. Because I already knew I liked God Eater and all that, but like, God Eater was the only Monster Hunter, and Freedom Wars were the only Monster Hunter clones I had played before I started this challenge. Ragnarok Odyssey Ace is actually my favorite out of the clones so far.
Yeah.
Thank you for capturing the Palumu. This is a little thank you gift from the Guild Gators. I insist you have it. 700 points. That's a terrible gift. Seriously, how many points do I have? 5,508. Yeah, I didn't need 700 more. Considering the only thing I use points on at this point is the cultivation and actually that's the only thing I can think of that I use points on. Oh, and the Tail Rider Safari. Oh, we know there are actually only 3 ingredients that are fresh. Best choice it is. Ooh, I got feline insurance. That means if I die, it's not gonna hurt my stuff. Wait, I have another optional? Ooh, special ring of Palumu. Alright, let's go kill Palumu again. This is a special arena. If anybody joins by I'll send out an SOS flare so other people can join in, because I know people like doing arenas. But yeah, Monster Hunter 1 just has so many bad design decisions. It's shocking to me that it ever took off. Like, it's not a bad game, it's just a bad game. You know what I mean, right? Like, the gameplay, there's stuff in it that makes it terrible to play, but itself is not a bad game. It's like how Final Fantasy 1 is really hard to play for a lot, or Final Fantasy 2 even, is really hard for a lot of people to play these days. But it's not a bad game, it's just difficult to play. Get rocked, nerd. Oh, wait, there's more ballista ammo in here this whole time? How much did I learn? I somehow never noticed that pile. $56 something. Well, come on, $56 something. I can't read Japanese or Chinese, one of those two. That looks like it's kanji, which is also based off Chinese, or is that hiragana that's based off Chinese? I don't know. I always forget which. I couldn't move for a second. What the heck? I missed all three of those shots. Is there any more ballista ammo? No. That was nice while it lasted. You got hit hard there. Oop, watch out. If you're using the flashbangs too much, it's not gonna work. Stab it in the eye. Oh, hey, look. Oh, no, that's his cat. Which has a completely randomly generated name, so that's, interesting. I killed it while switching his sword mode. That's funny. I still have no idea if I can sever the tail on this thing. I haven't been able to do it yet, but it doesn't mean you can't. So I've been playing Monsters Hunter took till they are a stronger version before I could. Just because they are just dying to me too fast. Last night, one of the people I watched on Twitch was playing Fortnite as Hatsune Miku, and they did Fortnite Festival. And I tell you, it was weird seeing Miku doing headbanging to rock music. That was something interesting. What the? Ow. My headset cable brushed against my leg and freaked me out. I was like, what is on my leg? Let me talk to the resource center. Thank you. That's the one I can do.
Yeah?
Alright. Now it's time to go fight the Legiana. Read each of these. Twenty, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, got 100 defense now. That should be good enough for a bit. Plus, my sword also has a class ability of making try to take less physical damage. So combine everything, and we've got pretty decent defense. That's right. It didn't ask me which camp I want to go to, or if it did, I missed it. Anyway. Yeah, I don't care about Yushamoses or Yutsuyaku. Well, one's gonna be over here. I should get ready to switch over cutscene mode for a minute. Because I'm gonna go into a cutscene. Stone, don't care. I can't remember if it auto equips or not, so let's just go ahead and put it on. Whee! I seem to remember there being a mining spot up here, but I don't see one. That should level me up and get me at max before I go see it. Nope, I'm just shy. Oh, there is a mining spot. There we go, now it's leveled up. Somehow I got a Christmas song stuck in my head. I'm not going to say which one so nobody else gets it stuck in their head. This is not the time of year for that. Just, you know, it sucks. I'm taking my time taking care of this thing. It keeps moving around. That is a large Kelvy. Can I capture you? Nope. I tried. I guess I'm not getting a cutscene for this one. Okay. Yeah, I remember that attack. Nope, 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 nope. Almost knocked me into the poison. I don't want to be poisoned. Not today. Yep. Hit myself with that. Alright. No, thank you. I'm trying to pull a potion, but I don't need to now. Okay, now I do. What the? Oh. Whee! Oh, I missed. Ow. Hey, Yana, come on down. Chirping. This is definitely in the red, so. Again? Coward. both wings. Looks like it's trying to play off now, so time for me to get out of here. I said time for me to get out of here. Do I have any rations? I do. Should have sharpened before I came over here. Me cut off your tail, dang it. Where's that piercing pod? There it is. You like piercing pods. I like how the music's still quietly playing because it technically still sees me, even though it's not anywhere near me. But I didn't grab a shock trap. Oh well. Oh, that tail's pretty injured, so I don't think I can actually cut it off then. Darn, before I could. Boom, boom, boom. There's the Monster Bone Plus. Let's see if I was right. Like I said, I got a great horn play on my first cultivation just because those things are hard to get. Yeah, I've only gotten one so far. I need more so I can complete my butterfly outfit. You truly are impressive. Now our airship will make its descent to the lower depths of the Rotten Vale. Just say the word when you're ready. I'm not ready yet. I got stuff to do. Yep, I was right. But you're in. Okay. You're not who I want to talk to at all. I want to talk to you. Nope. I wasn't sure if he'd be able to, Alright, Smithy.
Howdy.
Why does that got an exclamation point on it anyway? So unlike other games, the Safari actually takes its time. I was not expecting to see Palkas just hanging around and shooting the breeze. Alright, no exclamation points in here. Let's head back to Astera real quick to see if there's any there. Or Hey, look, an exclamation point. Good thing I came here. Hunter, how have you been? As you can see, I decided to move to Astera. No, we conduct my research here. You'll come see me often, won't you? My specialty is melding, a technique developed by the first Vivarians. It allows us to change one type of matter into another. If you have any items you're not willing to items you're willing to part with, I'll turn them into something more useful, or I'm not the Elder Melder. So what can I do meld for you? Wait. Oh, I see.
Denali.
Well, I brought the artifact with me to try applying to my ancient tree experiment. And wait, you know, the tree sprout. What do you make of that? So how can I help you? Oh. I thought he was actually saying something new. No, like actually necessary. Fertilize. Make your fertilizer. Oh, I'm double checking. Does it actually show those exclamation points on the main map? It does. Okay, so now I can. So if I'm ever wondering if I missed one, I can just check that. Okay.
Sorge?
Working hard? What's that? You heard me mumbling? Yeah, the chef asked me to rustle some ingredients for him. Still got so much he can do. Whoa, you serious? So go and get him for me? Thanks, your life's here. We fighters gotta look out for each other, eh? Here are the details. Good luck. I guess I can deliver that one already. So I do have one shameless hide.
Ja.
Alright, that's everything here. Back to the third fleet. Alright, let's go. Let's try this again. Ready to make your descent in the depths of the Rotten Vale? I suppose when you find a place safe enough for you to depart and suitable for camp. There you shall resume your research for the Zora Magdaros. And do not forget my request. You must think deeply. What is the Rotten Vale? I look forward to hearing what you come up with. Well then, off we go. We're gonna have a cutscene again? We'll know in just a second. thing. I think I've just been stuck at that last little bit for a good 30 seconds now-ish. I'm not kidding, it's just been sitting. Oh, my display just blocks it entirely. Okay. I was trying to show it. But yeah, no cutscene, okay.
モズクマグダラオスダイークだ空砲メス離島メ
I guess we just automatically set up the new camp. Okay. Looks like that red X is gone, which means I can actually go deeper now. I can't go right there? Boo. Got it. Area known as 9 is the most dangerous. Seems 30% of hunters have collapsed there. You can have this. Herbal powder.
ベオ
I'm mining game. Yeah, I know where you want me to go. Okay, this is just taking me right back where I was. I thought that was a different path. How do I get up there? Did I get one of them? Nope. Oh, right here. Yeah, stop pinging it. I know. I'm exploring. I'm exploring, mama. Got some Devil's Blight. Alright, now we can go on to the new area. Always gotta hit the bone piles in new areas. In case I can get a new bone.
イークだとせスリー
When'd you get down here?
モーゲニス هذيك يعني تراك مقدراس ليس لارا بيسيته بيسميه
Wait, what? Oh. I missed. Got it. Hey, your friend's under attack, and the game doesn't have a health bar for them. Everything's fine. Sign me, claim this track. Alright. There's the last wall. Back there's where Val Hazak is, if I remember the name correctly. Val Hazak, something like that. Giant rotting dragon. The mummy. Hi first. Bye first. If I remember correctly, this thing can inflict bleed, so I do have to be careful of that. Okay, that wall flinch was completely on accident, but I will take it. Let me stab you, dang it. Thank you. Out of the narrow corner. Why does everything in this game have scales? Ow. I know I need a heal, but damn. Oh well. Where's the canteen? There it is. Oh crap, I got Provoker. That means it's gonna aggro me more. Like, it's already going to aggro me more, but like, you know. Sharpen. What's in the chest anyway? Oh, first aid med, jerky, ration. I'll take that ration. Stamina is now at max. I need to grab a crap before I head back out so I can capture the thing. You don't have to capture it. Yeah, I know. Just makes it easier instead of having to deal with the chance of it knocking me out right after it's right at the end. Okay, so first put all this excess stuff away. Alright, let's go. Well, I unlocked the third cultivation box. I'm going to use that one to cultivate bugs so I can increase my chances of a hornfly. I got retreated literally right here. That's funny. Boom. And stab. Boom. Split the tail. Almost got me. Cut the tail off. Alright, nice. Should move, likely. Well, it worked out. I can't. Ooh, that one hurt. Uh-oh. Nope, 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 nope. Sharpen. First aid med. Flash pod. Flew past him. I was right, it does cause bleed. I remembered. Ow! Yeah, I saw that coming a mile away because I didn't have it. Am I right and I can't eat yet? Yep. Wait, how'd you join my session? 1 second. I forgot to turn on password, that is my fault. Ow. Apparently when he knocked me down, he didn't injure me for some reason. Yeah, feel better? How are you not limping yet? Wait, piercing pod, where? Piercing pod. My friend. How the hell are you not limping yet? I guess the game doesn't have enough info to know when you're low on health. There they are.
Ada, Luni, Esme.
Oh, they're still tracking it for some reason. Oh well.
Zesida, noi mergo, peuneniu? Rurura, Yuriuma Rasta?
リトメ R ガザルベムートテタイラオスイスムートテイスアユルフクゼホス
Ratudi. Mi ritome deda. Dotue keradis. Raksude. Mitagane meso. Nitsimaha. Shi. Ku. 危険なるべしらすに一時派がべてぐなに
えい
聞いてリラーに記事
そうだ
ラファがとっとゆりにいたがえいがりて眠はえてやぱすシシュラーニ
メスケレ
もうめじょすうでだゾラマグダラオスレスホアヨポモールと指数にイクロスゾラマグダラオスレスホで通れ
ハートやっぱいいニラキリケホリウィ
ねえれクがオグドルクールークラチキミレアサクララビラいやあとりろい
I can't see anything. What are you talking about? Hey, Johnny, think we got enough boom in the game? No, James, we need more. More.
本当に
More.
離れら無敵にれあウルースリゲーレルもきぬクルモーシクアチベファクイーヌ
ミーガ。
Good work with your field reports in the Coral Highlands and Rotten Vale.
まあせ。
If our track and the Third's Master both agree about Rotten Vale, then we can safely assume the Elder Dragon's graveyard, so to speak. Start focusing the Commission's efforts there. The question is where Zora Magdaros has gone if it's not in the graveyard anymore. First Light Variants may be able to answer that question. I looked into it. The closest sighting of the First Light Variants was in the ancient forest. Head out there on expedition, see if we can track them down. Because unfortunately, we're running out of time. Yo, just got back. Before I forget, the scholars at the research base wanted me to give this to you. I guess the airship engineer gave them some ideas and I decided to put this together. Anyway, here you go. They said thank you and want you to visit again. Enjoy. Alright. Go-Getter, Master Chef, and Armory. Okay. From the 5th Fleet, just who I was looking for. At present, we Go-Getters are studying the Aldebaran's behavior. I saw 3 scholars preparing a movie and masking muttering, quote, Aldebaran is so gosh darn cool. Quest is called Man's Best Friend. Any assistance he would give would be most appreciated. I just captured one for you. Look at it. It's right there. Why does his tail look whole? Nope, it's not. It's severed. Okay. You.
Nale.
Swear, nothing I do is good enough for these people. You interested in bulking up the canteen with more ingredients? Now that's what I'm talking about. Take care of the quest, meat of the matter, and we'll get that meat so beefy the veggies will bleed. You want the gains, you want the glory, then deliver the goods. Don't let me down. 2 lumps of meat from the Rotten Vale. I don't even know where I get lumps of meat, so that's gonna be fun. Things here may be getting hairy, but we need to keep our composure. Stay calm and go over the basics. First, how's your equipment holding up? I got some new products in, so have a look. Can I forge high rank bone armor? Nope. Okay. Oh, wait, no, it's just down here. I think. Maybe. Anyway, what's this one look like? Almost Code Veiny. Almost. I have what I need for this one. I need 2 more monster bones if I want an ingot. And I'll check the 3rd fleet real quick, see if they got any exclamation points, and then we'll do the next optionals. Stretch. Oh right, I forgot to do about that. Quest board. Or handler, one of the two. Exclamation points here, so that's not a big deal, but now there's a handler. Alright, since we got an arena quest, that means I'll SOS flare again for people. Because people like arena quests, and I don't deprive them of that. You're trying to skip that, but you can't, so I don't know why I keep trying. Well, I messed that up. The lock-on trigger at the worst possible time. Still got it though. Ooh, that one hurt. You're an angry Legiana right now. I killed it with the unload thing, purge, whatever you want to call it. That's funny. Alright. Smithy? Guess he's not here. Okay. Back to Stera then. Because I want to check something.
위대하다. 마그다라오스 통리네스크.
Alright. No, not that. Why I keep selecting an upgrade? I want to see something. Switch X. I like looking at the tree. Oh, if I want to, I can craft a Legiana. That's not what I'm after. I'm curious about something else. I was curious if I had one for Zora Magdaros because some of the parts I got from it. It's already on my wish list, I think. Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong one. Anyway. No, actually, yeah, let's see what I can... Let's see. Give my cat an upgrade. Let's see how I'm doing on these. I'll hold for now. Ooh, polisher. That's a good one. Less time sharpening. I guess I don't remember. Wants to meet R, where they carve from, whatever. Alright. It's all the way down 13 apparently. Because I had no idea I wasn't going to spend 30 minutes searching just to have only 20 minutes left to find it. So, now I know where it's at. Map. It's not at the exact spot, I'm just marking it so I can have the scout flies running there. What on earth is targeting me? Oh. Whatever. Oh, can't go out that way because it's blocked. Huh, I can dodge with these now. Or maybe it's only eggs I can't dodge with, who knows. Sorry. Anyway. Alright, with that I can quickly... I just want to mark it. Thank you. Because I don't remember the path back up. Oh, duh. Where's an idiot? Don't mind me, just an idiot. There's the box. Alright, this time push my way through here so that this path is open as well. Yeah, you're real scary. Did I lose it? Yep. Thanks, Hornitar. I can't wait to get those new parts for my computer so it stops making noises that make me go, whoa. I'd much rather deal with the fan that's a little louder than the water pump and not have to deal with the water pump's issues anymore. And getting that new side panel. So I'm not hearing that glass popping when it warms up. I didn't even want the glass in the first place. So when I get my return, I'll go ahead, my text return, I'll go ahead and use part of that to go ahead and order my new graphics card, so it's using less power on my PC as well, because the new one uses, like I said, the one I want to upgrade to uses less power. I'm gonna go with the Intel B580. It's more powerful than what I've got and uses less power, so.
Venemuoto ideeta, Magdalos Tolinestur.
You know, it's been a little bit since I visited the Gathering Hub. Let's double check some stuff real quick. I'm just curious. Or if I can turn those hunting tips off, because I think that'd be funny. It's like the most boring loading screen. Options. Nope. Okay. I just want to see if there's any exclamation points up here for some reason. Well, I find I can run up here, but I can't run back down. I have to use the lift. Anyway. Rank in progress. Bonus points to the B580 is actually quieter than my RX 580. That's funny. I'm switching from a 580 to a 580. Just a complete different one that's newer. Has more RAM, all the. Like, I don't mind fan noise, it's just the RX 580 sounds like it's on more often than it's not. Oh, shush. What's new quest? I think sure, yeah. Oh, I should real quick head down and check the cultivation.
Unali.
Oh, it's only one more. I wonder if I can cultivate them though. I cannot. Okay. Alright, I need to set new fertilizer.
Unali. Unali.
I think I just set the same one. Yep. Oh, that's fine. Anyway, sorry about that. Dang it. I was trying to heal. Fuck you. God damn it. Stop and let me stab you. Thank you. Boom. Got the tail. Wasn't letting me dodge. Like it literally wasn't letting me cancel and dodge. Alright. There we go. Got the boom. And another boom. Yeah, I ain't worried about you guys. Ow. Let me move, damn it. Yeah, of course. Yeah, my weapons are max sharpness still, so no need to worry about that. I hate that he has a shortcut all the way down, because now I have to actually run all the way down there. Like, there's a basically guarantee he'll be asleep by the time I catch up, yes, but you know, doesn't make it less annoying to have to chase him all the way across the map. Alright. To everybody that 100% this game, more power to you. Between getting anything to research level 10, getting all the large and smalls, getting all the large and small gold crowns, getting every single rare achievement, such as seeing those birds on the Aptonoth. Apparently there's a quest that guarantees it, but you know. It just more power to you. Beating every single quest. Getting every single in-game medal. Oh, see, perfect timing. Just confirm the presence of an unusual force in Coral Highlands, but don't you worry, we already know what it is. Follow the thunderclaps and the hoofbeats right to the source. We're dealing with a Kirin. I think we'd find one here in the New World. I've arranged a quest already. Just run along and sign up for Ghana and Flash. Don't keep me waiting. One other thing, if the site goes well, I intend to use the materials we collect to create specialized equipment at the Ecological Research Center. Okay, the first one we complete will be yours. What do you say? If that doesn't give fire up, then I'm not sure you're a hunter. Oh, there's one of the quests where I'm going to let people join, partially because y'all know I hate Kirin. It's annoying to keep up with. I don't hate it because it's hard, I hate it because it's annoying. That, my dear friends, is a major distinction. Wait, that's right, I want to check these, see how many armor spheres I got. 1. So that's not getting upgraded. Oh, and forge equipment. I'm gonna go ahead and get the next piece of the butterfly crafted. What's the Hornitar armor? It's one of my favorite stupid armors. It is not worth it, but you know. Why is that not on my wish list? What's new quest? Because I'm lazy. Chef's Choice works for most of the game anyway, it's not a huge deal. There are some good custom ones you can make, but Chef's Choice always gives you the as much of the fresh ingredients as possible. I won't be able to fire the SOS flare until I see the cure in those, so this is going to be fun. Oh, I forgot to restock my potions. Good thing we start at the camp. Let's see if I'm right. I can just straight up fire it now. Nice. Alright. Yeah, not surprised there's someone who has a joke name of "Fuck Your Mom" on here. Ow. Jesus Christ. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm alive. Ow. I can't even get close to it now because they're slamming it so hard.
Kiyoshimi, Gari Tamo Ku. Kukibi, Kikura Lepo Hoki.
Oh, I ended up in the secret cave on accident. Oh, we went all the way up. Well, then I should have just taken the shortcut. Oh well. No. He's asleep. You need to leave him alone. Ooh, we broke the horn. When I think about it, I think 3 is the 3 and 1 are the only games where you don't fight Kieran, because I don't remember fighting Kieran in 3. Of course, he got a fucking Uyghur face. I didn't trigger it fast enough. I want to see me riding on the ground, paralyzed. Oh well. Safari's back. Yes, you went and did the study, didn't you? Gone in a flash? Let us take our Elder Dragon research another step forward. Everyone is ecstatic. We poured all that energy in creating this doohickey. As specialized tools go, it's pretty special. Think of it as a gift from us gods. We hope it serves you well. Underproof mantle. Really only useful against a Kieran.
Denali.
Another great hornfly. We only need 2 more now, I think. 1 more, somewhere in there. Alright, upgrade forge. Jesus. Yep, we just need 2 more great hornflies and then we can equip the butterfly set. Yay! Oh, there's an exclamation point somewhere. Go-getters. What do you want now? Or is it thanking me for capturing an Ogdoron you asked for?
Yeah.
Hunter, thank you for the Ogdoron. I keep switching the G, putting the G before the D. This is a little thank you from the Go-Getters. Yay, more points. Am I caught up on my optionals? Done there. Yep, okay. The Ancient Forest. And at the Ancient Forest Camp. Because the first Librarians are actually near there. I remember being up in the top of the tree is when I finished this quest, so. Sorry. So I had a wet spot in the throat and I couldn't even mute myself in time to keep you guys from hearing me coughing like that. I hate when that tickle happens. I found that fitting in.
毛利ね
I was able to mute
い
this
ついい
time.
かなティセイリキヨローミトッシ
That. Oh, this will just take me right down here. Perfect. Damn it. I missed.
ね
Nothing right here. Oh, there is something right here. A god bug. 2 god bugs. Alright, let's try doing this again. This time actually getting up there. So I was expecting to go downside. I wasn't looking forward. Got it. There's either the ancient, this world's felines, or yeah. Anyway, small size update, and I still haven't found a small crown or crown for that one. Got it. Grab that tiny looking one. Darn, it wasn't actually as small as I thought. Alright, anyway, down we go. Nothing, okay. Just in case there was something I didn't really see but was there. And here comes Rathalos.
Vic, está Leora.
Run. I tried to warn you.
リオレンス
Oh, no. Yeah, whatever. It was a little early, but it's fine. I mean, it's not. Who knows?
Cassie. Vetemut.
Okay, I was worried I was going to have to fight the Rathalos for this. Oh. Apparently I do. But anyway. Yes? There's nowhere you may find the dragon with a mountain of fire upon its back? I possess that knowledge. You're not yet worthy. Only one who stands at the top of the food chain. Once you have conquered the fire wyvern and the horned wyvern that have descended upon the forest and the waste, only then will you be worthy.
トトハラオガデクケガクスキットストゥガキリオレウスミディアブロスホアークダートトゥアザネキ
Yep, I'm already working on it. Because I don't have potions on me. Or I do have potions, apparently. Okay. It's not maxed. Alright, let's go fight that Wrath. Not this way. This way. Alright, and now I'll play everybody's favorite part, the Rathalos summoning song. First let's grab his footprints. Where are they? You can't tell me about the footprints and not let me see them. Eh, whatever. Oh, no eggs. Okay, can't play the summoning game then. It's above me? Did it just go back to the nest? Right when I left? Yep. Hey, Rathalos, buddy. I know he's just sitting there like, who cares? I can't do shit. I'm stuck. No, I literally was stuck. I couldn't do anything. It wasn't letting me get out of the way. It wasn't letting me do shit. Alright, real quick, let's see if I can eat. I can, okay. That fate doesn't count against me. I literally was stuck. Don't know why I didn't catch on fire during that, but sure, whatever. Ow. Damn it. Dang. He pulled back right before I could land that hit. flash pods and don't have like triggering ones up there. And now he's angry. I tried. Second. Down. Okay. Got the tail. You better run. Oh, he's off running. I'm gonna take this tail. Yoink. Must have taken a wrong turn at Albuquerque. I fell way down. Almost. Probably sharpen before I catch up to it. So I'm dealing maximum damage. What? Why'd you want me doing that, Scoutflies? Anyway. Trying to follow you so I can track it down faster, and you're just like, oh, you're at it. Knock down these rocks real quick. Thank you for changing direction at the last second. Mars Doodles? Where? Mars Doodles. I'll eventually get that side quest knocked out. Wrong button. Of course, there's not a wedge beetle for this. The longest climbs in the game. Okay, so it feels like one of the longest climbs. Oh, the Anjanath. I was like, what are you talking about? It's right here. Hey, Werewolf Blast. No, this is not a rerun. I am getting right in though, because I'm hungry and I'm tired and... But yeah, you're welcome on in. We actually will be back next Monday with more of this, but right now I need food. I was gonna double check some stuff around town before I head back. I've beaten every single Monster Hunter now. This is actually my second play of this game because I'm trying to beat every single hunting RPG. You can do exclamation point monsters to see what that's like, but at the same time, I don't consider myself an expert on these games. I still struggle despite the amount of time I put into them. And just want these, and honestly, I'm not a fan of World, which also does not help me on a lot of stuff. Alright. But, I forgot what I was saying there for a second. Oh, a lot of World feels like the quality of life stuff's great, but a lot of the writing and stuff for World feels like they honestly hate the franchise because a lot of it just at the start they immediately call out hunters in the quote unquote old world, saying that no, the hunters here aren't like those ones. Here we research nature, we don't punish nature. You know, every single game except for this one is we live in harmony with nature and only fight it when we have to. Except for a couple of rich people who are willing to pay high money to be able to do stupid things, like a snotty rich girl who's angry that a monkey threw its poop at her. But in this game, they just immediately call out stuff in the old world, in the older games, like that's problematic, and I'm like, no, it's not. But also, something about the design of the world just feels more samey than the older games do. Like, it makes it hard for me to focus on for long.
Denali. Denali.
And to collect my harvest too. But yeah, I actually never beat World itself. I've beaten literally all the other Monster Hunter games though. So But also because the way my list because I wanted to do all these, it's on the list anyway. I'll see how I feel about Iceborne when I get to it. I apparently stopped World just before I fought the last Elder Dragons to beat the base game of World. But I am going to stop my timer here. We're going to go ahead and raid out. Thank you for stopping by. We will be back next week with more Monster Hunter Wilds World. We'll continue by starting off the Diablos and working our way from there. Diablos. But yeah, in the meantime though, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. We're going to go ahead and raid Beeps, who are playing Nier Automata for the first time. Yep. Would help if I type in their name right. But yeah, thank you for stopping by. I'll see who's here next time. In the meantime though, everybody have a wonderful day, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Oh wait, I didn't come with a raid message. I got nothing. We'll just go with the base raid message. Because my basic raid message. But yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.